going to the cafe so we can get some bird food. Okay.
Oh, clever birds.
We'll go around.
Wow, duck fight.
Hmm?
We're going.
So today we are in Hardwick Park. We are out for a walk and I'm with my son. Nak, what have you got there?
We got seeds for birds.
Yeah, birds food. Okay.
Yeah, 2 of them.
We've got 2 packs. So yeah, it's a beautiful day. It's quite warm. How do you find the weather, Nak?
Okay.
Is it okay? You like the
Yeah.
temperature like this? Yeah?
Yeah, but not too hot.
Not too. We're still wearing our long sleeve. So yeah, hope you enjoy. Come walk with us. And yeah, enjoy the nature's beauty. It's so peaceful in here and relaxing.
Beware deep water.
Hmm? So look, we are here.
Yeah, this is the map of the whole entire park there.
Okay, let's go.
Temple of Meridian.
Temple of Minerva. Can you see where that is? There.
Oh, look, Neptune!
So that's the temple. We've been there before when you were little.
Ancient.
We'll feed the dogs first. Mana?
Territory.
Oh, hello. So cute. Oh, it's cute. Yeah, we've still got loads of this bird food. Nana. I've given all mine. You get more there?
I wish you bought 4 of them.
Oh, we have enough. You giving us? Get some more. So we've just given our 2 bags of bird food. And it looks like they still want more.
I think it's still more seeds in the water.
Yeah, I think so. But that's it for now. Until next time. So cute. Look how cute that looks. So cute, eh?
Adorable.
Adorable indeed.
Oh, Brian.
What have you found?
Oh no.
Oh. Yeah. Okay. Oh dear. Oh no! Don't touch it.
I didn't touch it.
I think it's more fun on that side, babe. You see?
Probably this wasn't not free yet. Can you help me get up this bit?
I'm not sure, Nak, because that's a bit high up, Nak. It's okay. Can you read this one again? The Dragon's Returns Trail. Famous dragons. Hmm. Whoa.
I don't know how to. I don't even know how to make sounds.
So beautiful and peaceful in here. Yeah. This one sec be. So yeah, we are in Hardwick Park. It's a big park and so beautiful, perfect for walking.
And check this out.
Oh, okay, cool.
Snap easily. Anyway.
Yeah, so it's a beautiful park to have a picnic, and they have like a massive lake or a big pond and lots of ducks, swans and geese. So yeah, perfect for the family to come here. And they have a play area as well.
No, I am.
No.
I'm not happy with that, isn't it? What did this go?
Mm.
Are we gonna go back to that?
Yeah, we'll go back now because Daddy will be waiting. And then we're gonna have our barbecue.
That's the way where we went back.
No, we're just gonna go that side, and then that's it. That might be a way down there too, but we'll go this way just to be sure. So nice.
This is climb that.
Dali na, Nak. Oh, there's no gate there, babe. Where you're having fun? There we go. Damn it. Georgie. Ay, nako. Baby, oy. Alright.
Okay, that was too hard.
Ano?
Just slipping it down. And gone. Yeah.
Alright. There's the Tower Cafe. They have toilets in there as well. A cafe, of course. There's the toilet there. It's closed now.
This park is closed. Wait,
Yeah, go. Woo! Wow! Ah, brilliant! Whoa! Is it wet? Is it wet? Who's that? Play area. Okay. Thank you, Nak. So we'll show to them how much it costs to park here. Yeah. There you are. Oh, is that?
Are we going?
Just 1 sec. Okay, come on then. Let's go, let's go.